Hey, hello. If I said I didn't just wake up, that would be a lie. Actually, I did wake up an hour ago, but um, yeah, I literally roll out of bed after that. And yeah, as you can tell, this is my fourth day after washing up. Anyway, ouch. Anyway, before I begin this video, which has already begun, I'm not too sure how um, helpful this video could be because all the information that I'm bringing or information that I got from friends or information that I've learned because I was about to become a resident advisor. And if you want to have cheap rent or zero rent, I have a video on how to do that. So you basically can get paid while living on really cheap rent and living on campus and meeting people, or you can have like zero rent at all, and in this case you might not get paid, but I have a video in regards to that. I'm going to link it down below in the description and you can take advantage of it. Alright, so one second. So I will start by saying that there's a difference. I'm not too sure if you're familiar, but there's a difference between Georgian Green and the Georgian campus, on-campus living. So both of them are with Georgian, but the Georgian on campus, it's literally on Georgian campus, and it's like, how do I say that? Not hired. No, this is what happened when you wake up like that. So it's managed. It's managed by Georgian. There's lots of perks such as yeah, let's just dive into it. So the perks is for example, Georgian doesn't really have a meal plan like many universities have. So like meal plan like for breakfast, lunch, or anything, things like that. So when you go sometimes to university, they have a meal plan, so you can pay for rent to stay there, and you can pay for example, a breakfast and lunch, and then dinner you can just go out. So this is included, and you get your meal. Georgian doesn't have something like that, but they have a kind of card. So when I was on campus, like studying on campus, because I came before COVID. So when I was studying on campus, and many of you know it, you have TLC, but you also have the food court, and the food court has different stuff such as Tim Hortons, you have pizza, stuff like that. So you just load your card with that, and then you go there and they give you the food. So this is how it works. Now I know that we still have TLC, and TLC delivers when you purchase more than, they used to do it for free actually, but now if you make a purchase more than $7 before tax, actually I need to do a video. I'm pretty sure most of the videos told you about the tax in Canada, but for those who don't know, I think I'm going to do a video. It's very short, it's super short. Anyway, so if you purchase anything $7 before tax, they're going to deliver it for free for you on campus. So this is for Georgian, which is on campus. Georgian really doesn't work like that. So you are there. Back then, I know it was $5.75 per month. Now I don't know how much it is, and I do know in summer it drops, because for Georgian Green, in summer students go out. Sometimes there's no school except for summer school. Some are doing their co-op, so many students go out and they rent it as a holiday kind of thing to other people. So you can have a cheaper rent in summer. But yeah, and Georgian Green is not far from college. It's like, I would say maybe 10 minutes walk, and yeah, but the other one is 5 minutes walk, and it's just on campus. I do know that the Georgian on campus, I guess, have a kind of little kitchen that is shared. For Georgian Green, I don't know how it works, but I should have found it out before in that video because I know someone who was a Georgian. But that's what it is. For laundry as well, the laundry is on a different level, so you don't have like laundry on the same, because it's like an apartment. This is what you should know. It's like an apartment, each one has their room, but you share the kitchen and you share the bathroom. So this is how it is. I think sometimes you do share the room, and yeah, that's it. The pricing, I'm not too sure how it works for Georgian on campus. It might be, I know the pricing is like, God, this hurts because it's fucking expensive. It's fucking expensive with the quarantine package and all these things. It's fucking expensive. For Georgian Green, I know it was $5.75, which is kind of okay. But I wouldn't go, maybe if you really want to go on campus and meet people, I would do it for like 1 semester maybe. After that, I wouldn't really go, because for $5.75, you can have your own room in Barrie, close to college. Your own room. Yes, the kitchen is still shared, but you can have like your own room. And I guess if you go above that for 6 or 7, you can have a room with your own bathroom, so you don't have to share. But when it comes to me, I would rather be off campus than on campus, just because of the price. And that being said, you can get a room for $500 or $525. So I don't want to pay $5.75 for that. But yeah, coming back, this was for Georgian Green, but coming back to Georgian on campus, I'm pretty sure it's a little bit more expensive than that, especially with the quarantine package. I know houses here who are letting you stay if you're fully vaccinated and you've done your test. So if you have to do your quarantine, and you don't have to pay for all that extra money. And then one important factor that I know is that Georgian on campus, it's way more strict when it comes to the rules, the bedtime, the going out and coming in. So Georgian Green is a little bit more like you do your thing. Like, of course, within COVID, like they have you have a receptionist down, and things go through the reception and everything, but it's less controlled, definitely less controlled than the Georgian college. Georgian Green is more lenient than Georgian college. On campus, the on campus have like really strict rules in regards to how the house needs to be. I mean, I understand, but to me it's just like too much, and I'm very much of a hothead as well. That's how I am, and I really like my freedom. That's one thing that I really love when I was here. I left my parents' house at 23, like many developed countries do. Some people just like literally stayed at the house of their mom, get married, and rent a girl, and whatever. But one thing I really enjoyed was my freedom, and your freedom is going to be limited in there, because you live there, you have to follow their rules, at what time you have to be there, if you'll have a curfew, no activity after 10 p.m. I guess. But yeah, that's my big no as well. But other than that, there's all the perks of being on campus, such as like the free delivery, you get to know the Georgian community, you get to make friends, and stuff like that. So like I said, I don't think I put too much information in that. I'm just throwing out there what I know. If there's specific information that you want to know, I still have connection at Georgian, so I can definitely get that for you. When it comes to Georgian Green, I do know someone who has a Georgian Green, so I can definitely ask. So I do know someone who was at Georgian on campus, so I can get information in regards to that, or I can ask someone who's in there. And for Georgian Green, like I said, I have friends, and one of my subscribers actually was at Georgian Green. So I was never on campus, so I don't know what kind of question you have. Yeah, I just really don't know. Whatever I'm throwing out there is whatever I know, but if you have something very specific, don't hesitate to throw it down in the comments, or just like reach out to me, and I'll try my best to reach out as soon as possible. That being said, thank you very much. Don't mind my hair, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!